Hello, my name is Deepak Patil. I am from India. I create the project of data science which visualize the daily COVID cases of India. So I use the CSV file which have the data of the COVID-19 cases of India. So I use the pandas for the reading the CSV file. Then I use the matplotlib for the plotting the graph and the animation of matplotlib. I store the path of CSV file in path variable. So start with main. In main, I create one variable with the help of pandas which can read the CSV file, and I pass the path. And after, I call the getData function. In getData function, I simply use the pandas object and store the data into a variable and return that values. I stored the return values into date, daily cases, total cases, daily record, total record, daily death, and total death. Then after, I call the drawPlot function and pass that function date, daily cases, daily record, and daily deaths. In drawPlot function, simply I create the one object of PL matplotlib figure and the AX1, which is the subplot of the figure. Then after, I use the animate function for the animation, and there its first is x1 dot clear for the clearing the previous graph, then plot. So I first plot the date with y-axis cases, and second one is a date with y-axis record, and third one is a date with y-axis date. So I give the title Indian COVID cases, and then after start variable to start the animation, and in that start variable I call the function animation and I pass the figure and call the animate function and frames 500 and repeat equals to false because we don't want to repeat, and dot show for the showing the graph. So let's run the program. It takes some time. Now you can see the graph is working, and the day by day the data is increasing. Now daily confirmed cases is high, and the date also high, and the recovery of the patients is higher than the data of the death. So we can see that the daily confirmed cases shows in the blue and the daily record in the green and daily death in the red. So with the help of region function we can show that. So I am stop the video because it's take too much, 2 to 3 minutes, and after that we see what actually graphs looks. So we can see here, so in first wave of India around 09/2020, so the recovery rate is high than the confirmed cases, and then after it's low, and then in the second wave around the March of India it's high the patients, and then after in May 2021 it's in daily recovered patient is high.